Welcome to second AV. Now we go by tense. In what way there are changes of tense? First one is simple present tense. Now tense pattern is given here. Tense pattern in active voice sentence. Yes plus V1 plus O. This is our tense pattern. Now tense pattern in passive voice sentence. NS plus ism-r plus V3 plus by plus NO. Now what is the meaning of NS and what is the meaning of NO? In the above sentence, NS stands for new subject. Okay, NS stands for new subject, which is nothing but object part of the AV. This part. V3 stands for third form of the verb, that is past participle of the verb. This V3, and NO stands for new object, which is nothing but subject part of the AV. That means this part. NS stands for new subject. V3 stands for past participle, that means third form of the verb, and NO stands for new object. Okay, now here you will get the idea. She bakes a cake. Here she, yes, that means subject, bakes V1 first form of the verb, and a cake object. Okay, now same sentence into passive voice. A cake is baked by her. A cake is new subject, that means this part of the active voice turns into new subject. According to the nature of the subject, we can use is, am, are, but here a cake we use is there. V3 baked and she turns into her. A cake is baked by her. Okay, now we turn to second tense, simple past tense. Now here tense pattern in active voice. S plus V2 plus O. In simple present tense there is V1. In simple past tense there is V2. Tense pattern in passive voice. NS plus was where plus V3 plus by plus NO. Okay, now example. Gandhiji preach non-violence. This is the example of active voice. Now Gandhiji is subject, yes part. Preach, this is second form of the verb, and non-violence, this is object. Now according to the pattern, you can make the changes in this way. Non-violence was preached by Gandhiji. That means non-violence, objective part of the AV turns into new subject. Non-violence was preached. Here preached is nothing but past participle of the preach, V3, by Gandhiji. Okay, now we turn to next, simple future tense. Now tense pattern in passive voice. Tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus shall will plus V1 plus O. This is our pattern of simple future tense. Tense pattern in passive voice. NS plus shall will plus B plus V3 plus by plus NO. New object. For example, he will join the duty. Now subject, he is subject. Join V1, the duty is object. Now the duty will be joined by him. The duty, this is new subject. Object part of the active voice turns into new subject. V3 joined, and again here by him, he turns into him. That means subject part of the active voice turns into object part of the passive voice. Okay, we turn to next tense. Now present continuous tense. Tense pattern in active voice. S plus ism-r plus V1 plus ing plus O. Tense pattern in passive voice. NS plus ism-r plus being plus V3 plus by plus NO. For example, he is building the castle. Now he is subject. Build first form of the verb, ing suffix is there. The castle is object. Now When you turn passive voice sentence, at that time we use being there. In continuous tense, there is use of being. Ns plus is mr. The castle is being built by him. Now what is built? Built is nothing but third form of the verb build. The castle is being built by him. Now we turn to next. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus was were plus v1 plus ing plus o. This is tense pattern. Tense pattern in passive voice. Ns plus was were plus being plus v3 plus by plus no. Example: Madhvi was cooking a nice meal. Madhvi subject, cooking first form of the verb ing suffix, nice meal of the object. Now according to the pattern, ns plus was were. Now ns is nice meal. Nice meal was being cooked by her. Okay. Now next tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. Now see here, future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus shall will plus be plus v1 plus ing plus o. This is our pattern of future continuous tense. Unfortunately, there is no passive voice in future continuous tense. Only example is given here. It will be raining heavily, but there is no sentence of future continuous tense in passive voice. Now we turn to next tense. Present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense. Tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus has have plus v3 plus o. This is our tense pattern. Tense pattern in passive voice. Ns plus has have plus been plus v3 plus by plus no. For example, I have completed this work. Now I is subject, completed is the v3, this work is object. Now according to the changes in PV, this work has or have been completed by me. Okay. Now you should follow the pattern in this way. Turn to next. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus had plus v3 plus o. Tense pattern in passive voice. Ns plus had plus been plus v3 plus by plus no. Now example, he had finished his work. Okay. He is subject, v3 is finished his work object. Now his work had been finished by him. Ns, his work, new subject, this is v3, this is new object, no. His work had been finished by him. Now future perfect tense. What is given here in future perfect tense? Tense pattern in active voice. Shall, yes plus shall will plus have plus v3 plus o. Tense pattern in passive voice. Ns plus shall will plus have plus been plus v3 plus by plus no. Example, they will have appointed manager. They is subject, will is there, have is there, appointed v3, manager is object. Now same sentence into passive voice. Manager will have been appointed by them. Ns plus shall will plus have plus been plus v3 plus by plus no. Okay, now we turn to next, present perfect continuous tense. Tense pattern in active voice. Yes plus has have plus been plus v1 plus ing plus o plus for since period of time. In this tense also there is no passive voice construction. Only example is given here in active voice. They have been living in Nanded since 1990. Okay, here we stop and we turn to next AV.